Want to give your sink a quick and easy facelift? Install a new faucet. Follow these simple steps and you'll be finished in no time. Before you buy a new faucet, see how many holes are currently in your sink or countertop to determine what style you need. We're showing a common setup of 3 holes with a 4-inch spread, which is designed for a center set faucet. You may also see 3 holes with an 8-inch spread for a widespread faucet, or an individual hole for a single stem faucet. Once you've brought your new faucet home, gather your tools. You'll need 2 adjustable wrenches and a basin wrench, which is made to fit in tight spaces. Before you remove the old faucet, get to know the parts of your new faucet. Most models have mounting nuts that secure the faucet to the sink, a lift rod, and possibly a rubber gasket. Next, shut off the water supply to the faucet. Turn on the faucet to drain the line. To remove the existing faucet, unscrew the mounting nuts and disconnect the supply lines from the shutoff valves. Once the old faucet is out, wipe away any residue. Some faucets have rubber or plastic gaskets for the seal. Others require putty or silicone caulk around the base plate. For this step, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Insert the lift rod and ensure the knobs are in the off position. Now you're ready to connect everything under the counter. Under the sink, screw the mounting nuts to the faucet and tighten them with a basin wrench. Connect the supply lines first to the faucet and then to the shutoff valves, looping the lines to the back so they're not in the way. Before you turn the water back on, use one adjustable wrench to hold the shutoff valve in place, using the other to tighten the water line. Then turn the water back on and allow it to run a few seconds to remove air from the supply lines and ensure there are no leaks. When the water is running smoothly, your new faucet is now ready to use.